Conjugation of the verb to opt in 12 English tenses. 1. Simple present, I opt. 2. Simple past, I opted. 3. Simple future, I will opt. 4. Present continuous, I am opting. 5. Past continuous, I was opting. 6. Future continuous, I will be opting. 7. Present perfect, I have opted. 8. Past perfect, I had opted. 9. Future perfect, I will have opted. 10. Present perfect continuous, I have been opting. 11. Past perfect continuous, I had been opting. 12. Future perfect continuous, I will have been opting. Conjugation of the verb to opt. He, she or it. 1. Simple present. He, she or it opts. 2. Simple past. He, she or it opted. 3. Simple future. He, she or it will opt. 4. Present continuous. He, she or it is opting. 5. Past continuous. He, she or it was opting. 6. Future continuous. He, she or it will be opting. 7. Present perfect. He, she or it has opted. 8. Past perfect. He, she or it had opted. 9. Future perfect. He, she or it will have opted. 10. Present perfect continuous. He, she or it has been opting. 11. Past perfect continuous. He, she or it had been opting. 12. Future perfect continuous. He, she or it will have been opting. Conjugation of the verb to opt. You, we or they. 1. Simple present. You, we or they opt. 2. Simple past. You, we or they opted. 3. Simple future. You, we or they will opt. 4. Present continuous. You, we or they are opting. 5. Past continuous. You, we or they were opting. 6. Future continuous. You, we or they will be opting. 7. Present perfect. You, we or they have opted. 8. Past perfect. You, we or they had opted. 9. Future perfect. You, we or they will have opted. 10. Present perfect continuous. You, we or they have been opting. 11. Past perfect continuous. You, we or they had been opting. 12. Future perfect continuous. You, we or they will have been opting. Verb to opt forms. Present simple I, you, we, they opt. He, she, it opts. Past simple opted. Past participle opted. Ing form opting.